Hi, my name is Chinkitan, your wealth and life coach. I'm really excited tonight to share with you my latest book, yung Always Think Positive. It's how to inspire yourself to inspire others. Whether you like it or not, kailangan natin ng daily inspiration every single day. Umpisa na po natin ang ating daily devotion. Day number 1, believe in who you are even if no one believes in you. Ang parati nating iniisip na talagang kailangan maging successful tayo, maging powerful tayo, para maging ma-impluwensya tayo. But kung titignan po natin ang buhay ni Chief Justice Hilario Davidde Jr., makikita po natin na talagang maraming siyang pinagdaanan. Mahirap po ang kanyang dinaanan. Kung ito-trace back po natin sila, siya po isang talagang dakilang probinsyano, as in Siano siya. So, nung siya po ay elementarya, parati siyang tinatawag na official reject. Because it was because of yung pagkatao niya, payat siya, tapos mukha siyang hindi siya mananalo sa buhay. So, nag-aaral siya sa high school, tinanong siya ng tatay niya, anong gusto mo paglaki mo? Sinabi niya, nako, gusto kong maging matagumpay, gusto kong maging isang abogado. At tinanong ng kanyang tatay, bakit? Kasi nung parati daw siya pinagtatawanan sa eskwela, tapos parati siyang kinukutya. Tapos sinabi ng kanyang ama, alam mo, pareho tayo ng karanasan. Nung ako ay bata pa, nung ako ay nag-dancing with my friends, kinamayan ako ng isang babae. Nung kinamayan ako sa babae, sinabi niya, ang kamay ko, sing tigas ng asero. So, nahiya ang kanyang tatay. Sinasabi niya, kung may tumawa sa'yo at kung may kumutya sa'yo, huwag kang talagang bumigay, huwag kang umayaw. So, that's the reason why naging passion ni Chief Justice Davidde to give justice. So, he considered it's really an insult to insult a person based on its personality or based on how he looks. So, this brief story somehow give us an idea on how harsh the society can judge us. I'm sure probably ikaw na-judge ka na rin based on your look, or probably based on your performance, based on your grades when you were in school, or based sa yung bahay mo. So, one of the greatest lie that a man could really ever take is the truth of feeling of the rejection. In the process, producing a feeling of what? Worthlessness. Feeling mo talagang wala ka ng halaga. Now, let me encourage you. Never allow others to look down at you. Your family's lack of provision, kung mahirap man kayo, your physical features, your educational background, or even your simple family background has in no way connection with your personal worth and value. Tatandaan po natin, you and I were created through God's image. You should not allow people to judge you for who you are. You should allow people to see what you can become. Always remember, you are God's creation, and God does not create a nobody. He only creates a what? Somebody.